Here let us interact, okay? I am the author, he was also co-author. He was also there while we were discussing, and if he wants to, somehow, take shelter under this kind of misinterpretation of the mandate of the law, I pity him. But at the same time, I am angry also because he is lying to the people. He is lying to the people who have elected him. He is lying to the people of Peninsula also. Are Peninsula people not concerned about immigration? They are, yes. Yes. He is lying to his own people who have given mandate to them. Yes. If this is not there, now how is the mandate of a law implemented? Once a law is, rather I would put it that way, once an act is notified, it becomes effective from that given indicated date as per the Gazette notification. What is the other responsibility of the government? Come up with